For a radioactive material, half-life is 10 minutes. If initially there are 600 number of nuclei, the time taken in minutes for disintegration of 450 nuclei is option 1 20, option 2 10, option 3 30, option 4. So the answer is option 1 20 minutes. Let's see the solution. NO is equal to 600, N dash is equal to 450, N is equal to N no minus N dash, which is 150. N naught divided by N naught is equal to 1 by 2 of power of T by TH, which is 150 by 600 is equal to 1 by 2 T by 10. This implies 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 T divided by 10, which implies 1 by 2 square is equal to 1 by 2 T by 10. 2 is equal to T by 10, which is equal to T is equal to 20 minutes.